Excuse me po.
Ayan, so while we are waiting for the first presenters, for the students na nasa audience, pwede naman kayong mag-write down or jot down if you have seen different ideas. Kasi for sure, you can use that sa mga marketing plans niyo pa sa susunod.
And for everyone, sana will be very quiet while they are presenting para hindi sila ma-distract. Presenters.
And wearing Filipiniana and Barong. From 4-1.
From 4-1, sobrang pinagdandahan nila.
Ayan, mukhang kinakabahan na kahit yung mga classmates. And of course, kailangan din naman natin ipag-pray yung ibang mga members natin para dun sa mga nandito sa room. So, pinalabas natin sila para hindi rin nila makita yung presentation ng ibang groups. Pero after they present, pwede na silang umupo and watch the presentation of other groups. Ayan, so piniprepare lang nila yung lapel. Ayan, so we're all set. So once again, let us welcome 41D.
Hello, Marcus.
Hello.
Hello, Marcus.
Imagine a 3-year-old child smoking a cigarette in recto with his playmates.
What about the people's cry for pork barrel scam, corruptions over government officials, and unending crab mentality?
An employee who works hard just to support his family, but only paid with low salary.
The situation in our country is quite alarming. With the increasing rate of crimes, irregularities in our government, conflicts between cities, and let us admit it, because of us, hard-headed citizens.
These are just among the common situations that are happening today.
With one common goal, we want to make a change.
A change, making the country a better nation wherein every Filipino is aware, responsive, and at the same time, a valuing public.
In this, Filipino Star ngayon will come into the picture as a medium to move nations and spark social change. 4-piece review ngayon!
Filipino Star is a decent newspaper in a multicolored layout with well-known columnists. It caters a wide range of different sections, sold at 10 pesos. It is distributed nationwide and has a circulation in Hong Kong, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia. Filipino Star ngayon continuously promote its value, but sometimes only known as the Blue and Yellow newspaper.
Situational analysis ngayon.
The Philippines has a growing rate of population every year. Metro Manila's urban reading has expanded, which includes Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, and Rizal, which includes 34% of the national population. That entails a large number of potential market.
Well, what's with the world today? According to Lester Swallow, the Associate Director of TNS Philippines, 6% of the topics searched on the internet is news. 85% of the 16 to 20-year-old population has the access to the internet, while 74% is for the 21 to 24-year-old age.
According to the managing director of the Nielsen Company, print is not dead. Before it was said that radio is the death of the print, that TV is the death of the radio and that the internet is the death of the TV. But the truth is, print is indeed still here, proving that 60.1% of the population read newspaper.
Based on the future media of the Philippines by Ermi Ardilion, Alpha Media Advertisement is a visible medium to attract the market and penetrate them with outdoor advertising and product placement in public areas.
Today, 24% of college students read newspaper, 82% watch news on TV, and 21% both use newspaper and TV as a source of information.
SWOT analysis ngayon! Filipino Star ngayon's strengths are the decency proposed by the product, multicolor layout, nationwide distribution network and circulation, research and development capabilities, caters wide range of readers' interest, and high advertisement rate. Weaknesses are minimal emphasis on brand identity, low brand name recognition, lack of brand name differentiation highlight, challenges on exploring other segments, and circumstances on customer dissatisfaction on product layout. Opportunities will be the potential development on distribution effort, establish brand loyalty, pass on readership attribute, and advantage on boosting self-esteem. The threats that we've seen are the pornographic, cheap, and unreliable perceptions when it comes to tabloid. One-time usage feature of newspaper, internet influence environment, TV leverage information, and tight competition.
Target market